Good morning. Today is January 18th, and our inspiring journey invites us to open a new page of the theme Light of the Heart. Sunday is a perfect time to devote yourself to warm inspiration. Today's message sounds like this: believe in a miracle, and it will surely find its way to you. Believing in miracles is not just waiting. It is a state of the soul that opens new possibilities and makes life brighter. Try today to remember yourself as a child, how you believed in miracles, in a mother's special hugs, in a kiss that could heal everything, in the magic of Christmas, travels, or family reading in the evenings. Everyone has their own memories, but try to return to that very state, the state of unconditional, pure faith. Let your heart paint your belief in miracles. Miracles do not disappear with time. We simply sometimes lose the ability to notice them. And miracles come in many forms. Sometimes we ourselves become a miracle for someone else, and that fills us with a special light too. Sometimes a miracle is revealed through art and helps us believe in what once seemed impossible. A miracle is also the art of noticing. In the adult world, full of worries and daily routines, miracles rarely fall from the sky ready-made. They hide in small things, in the first ray of sunlight, in a child's smile, in a kind word spoken at the right moment, or even in the message we received today. Our ability to believe is the ability to slow down and open the eyes of the heart to see those small sparks of light that make our lives magical every day. Small miracles begin with warmth, with true faith, and with returning to ourselves, to our inner flame that never goes out, but patiently waits for us to allow it to shine brightly again. Add a few logs to your inner fire today and invite exactly the miracle you are waiting for. Your advance embrace.